Hello students, Geography chapter 4 Agriculture. In this chapter we are reading about the food crops. In last video we have discussed about the rice, wheat and maize. Today we discuss about other food crops. First of all about millets, jawar, bajra and ragi. These are the three important millets which are grown in India. These are known as coarse grain. इन्हें हम मोटे अनाज भी कहते हैं. They have very high nutrition value. They are very good for our health because they are rich in different type of nutrients. For example, ragi. Ragi is rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients and roughage. That's why we can say that they have very high nutrition value. Iron, calcium, roughage, different nutrients are found in ragi. Other millets, jawar, bajra, also ragi. Jawar, bajra and ragi also rich in different nutrients. Now first of all we'll discuss about the jawar. The most stable food crop is rice. Second most important food crop is wheat. Third most important food crop on the basis of area and production. कितने एरिया में उसे क्रॉप्स को ग्रो कर रहे हैं उसके बेसिस पर, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द टोटल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स, ज्वार इज द थर्ड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट फूड क्रॉप in India. ज्वार इट इज ए रेन फेड क्रॉप, मीन्स बारिश में इरिगेशन जो होती है, रेनफॉल होता है, प्रेसिपिटेशन वही काफ़ी होती है इस क्रॉप को ग्रो करने के लिए. एक्स्ट्रा इसके लिए इरिगेशन रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होती है. सो इट इज ए रेन फेड क्रॉप मोस्टली ग्रोन इन द मॉइस्ट एरियाज. द एरिया वेयर द soil is having some climate is moist and soil is also having moisture. In such areas this crop is grown very well. It required very hardly irrigation. So in dry condition also the jawar can be grown. The jawar producing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and MP. According to the 2010, 11 and 12, Maharashtra was the largest jawar producing state. Now we will discuss about the bajra. It grow well on sandy soil, and in Rajasthan sandy soil is fine, so mainly it is grown in Rajasthan. It also requires shallow black soil. So in sandy soil and shallow black soil suitable for the cultivation of bajra. Major bajra producing states were Rajasthan. So largest state is Rajasthan. Other than Rajasthan, it is also grown in UP, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana according to data of 2011 and 12. Now we will discuss about ragi. Ragi is a crop of dry regions. Mainly it is grown well in dry conditions. It can be grown in red soil, black soil, sandy soil, loamy soil, shallow black soil. So ragi can be grown in different types of soils. Where ragi is grown in India? It is grown in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. So we have read about all three types of crops which are including millets in India. Jawar, largest producing state of jawar is Maharashtra in India. Bajra, Rajasthan, and ragi is Karnataka. Now we will discuss about pulses. In India, it is the main food for the common people. India is the largest producer as well the largest consumer of pulse in the world. सजा दालें प्रोड्यूस भी इंडिया में होती हैं, सजा दालें खाई भी यूज भी इंडिया में ही की जाती हैं. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Mainly vegetarian people use the pulses to fulfill the requirements of protein in their body. Major pulses that are grown in India are tur is also known as arar, urd, moong, masood, pea and gram. If we will classify them into the different categories according to the cropping season, kharif season and rabi season, then we will find that urd, moong or tur is also known as arar, these three crops are grown in, these three crops of pulses are grown in kharif season. Gram, chana, masood, pea, matar, these three pulses are grown in rabi season in India. Now, importance of pulses. Pulses need less moisture and survive even the dry condition. Same as ragi. The pulses also need less moisture. They do not require highly irrigation. Even they can be cultivated in dry conditions. Pulses also known as leguminous crops because these accept the tur. Other crops accept the arar. Rest of the crops, pulses crop take the nitrogen from the air and fix that nitrogen into the soil, and this process help in restoration of the fertile power of the soil. Therefore, these are mostly grown in the rotation with other crops. Suppose हमने राइस वीट ग्रो करने के बाद हम मोस्टली पल्सिस ग्रो करते हैं, बिकॉज पल्सिस ग्रो करने से दोबारा से सॉइल की फर्टाइल पावर रीगेन हो जाती है. So mostly pulses are grown with the rotation with other crops. Major pulses producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, UP, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. These 5 states are the leading producer of pulses in India. Mainly Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of pulses in our country. These are the food crops. In food crops, we have include the rice, wheat, maize, and today we discuss about millets, and these include jowar, bajra and ragi, and last one is pulses. These 5 crops are included in the food crops. Now we will discuss about the food crops other than grains. These are the food crops as well as the grains. In अनाज food crops in अनाज है, इन अनाज में खाने में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Now the crops that are food crops but they are not the grains. First is sugarcane, second is oil seeds, third is tea, fourth is coffee. So in next video we will discuss about these types of crops that are food crops but are not the grains. That's all for today, students.